Would you like to come to the gala? Piaget's Limelight Gala collection was inspired by the extravagant spirit of the 1960s, when celebrities, artists, clients and friends of the Maison would get together for the most fabulous parties. These gala events provided the inspiration for the name of a new collection. Almost 50 years on, and the Piaget Limelight Gala is a feminine icon that has become a symbol of elegance and harmony. Today, the world is full of extraordinary women who are inspiring, creative, daring and powerful, all while embracing femininity in their own unique way. They appreciate craftsmanship, talent and creativity, and they invest in watches and jewelry that create emotion and have enduring value. From the 1960s to the present day, the Limelight Gala encompasses the magic of being extraordinary. Limelight Gala Precious Sapphire Gradient was inspired by the signature design of a patrimony piece from 1973. It comes in a 32mm white gold case and is fitted with a white gold bracelet featuring Piaget's iconic Palais de Cour motif. The bracelet is hand-engraved and hand-assembled in the Maison's Atelier de l'Extraordinaire, where only a few artisans have the expertise to create such a work of art. The intricate Palais de Cour takes 8 hours to create. The Palais de Cour continues across the white gold dial and can be perceived under a layer of translucent blue Grand Fou enamel. This magical blue finish is achieved by firing the dial in the oven at over 800 degrees Celsius. Limelight Gala Precious Sapphire Gradient is a limited numbered edition. It is adorned with a bezel of 20 brilliant cut diamonds and a gradient of 22 brilliant cut sapphires in different shades of blue. It is set using an open work technique. In addition to this exceptional timepiece, Piaget is also presenting the Limelight Gala Precious Sapphire Gradient on a blue alligator. It is a limited edition with a shimmering mother-of-pearl dial, diamonds and sapphires. The Limelight Gala Precious Rose Gold is a display of diamonds, mother-of-pearl, open work and a burgundy alligator strap. The limited edition Limelight Gala Precious Aventurine Glass Dial features a glittery aventurine glass dial surrounded by diamonds in an openwork setting. The Limelight Gala Aventurine Glass Dial depicts a clear, starry night with aventurine glass and diamonds. Also available in a smaller versions with diamonds on the bezel. The Limelight Gala High Jewelry comes with diamonds and an elegant blue satin strap. There are also 3 other versions: a fully paved bracelet set with brilliant and marquise-cut diamonds, one adorned with a combination of diamonds and sapphires, and the Limelight Gala Black Opal, a stunning one-of-a-kind creation that features a rare and precious black opal dial. This iridescent stone is highlighted with brilliant cut blue sapphires and a colourful array of marquise-cut coloured gemstones. How would you like your Altiplano? The Piaget Altiplano Tourbillon is powered by the Caliber 670P, an ultra-thin hand-wound manufactured tourbillon movement. It indicates the time at 8 o'clock and showcases the tourbillon at 2 o'clock. This exceptional movement is comprised of 157 ultra-thin and ultralight components, such as a carriage measuring a mere 2.88mm, 3 titanium bridges weighing no more than 0.2 grams, and many components that are no thicker than a human hair. It also holds a patent for its stem mechanism that features an intermediate wheel that looks like a staircase and enables the user to set the time of the off-centered dial. Piaget is now offering a personalization concept for its Altiplano Tourbillon, where each owner has numerous options to co-create an exceptional piece of art. Personalization is nothing new for Piaget. In the 1960s, the Maison's American subsidiary designed the Piaget Star Selector. This useful tool allowed the brand's high society men and women to create their very own ultra-thin timepiece. They could choose the components of each model, from the case to the bezel, dial, gems, and bracelets. It was a huge success. The Piaget Star Selector now inspires a brand new personalization program, the Piaget Infinitely Personal concept. Create your own unique Altiplano timepiece with the infinitely personal concept for a timepiece that is truly yours. Personalization of the Altiplano Tourbillon offers over 14,000 creative possibilities. Rose gold, white gold, diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, rubies, mother-of-pearl, hand-guilloché enamel, sunburst lacquer. An array of 20 different strap colors, and a hand-engraved personal message. The only limit is your imagination. This 38mm white gold case is adorned with brilliant cut diamonds on the bezel and around the tourbillon's aperture. This timepiece comes with an exclusive guilloche dial in red mother of pearl, complemented with white gold coloured hands and indexes. It features a red alligator strap. This 41mm white gold case and hand guilloche gold dial with sunray motif is covered with a translucent green enamel. The bezel is framed by baguette-cut diamonds and paired with a matching green alligator strap. Last but not least is a 38mm white gold case with a stunning dial, snow set with 521 brilliant cut diamonds and a red alligator strap. How thin can we go? In 2018, Piaget unveiled the Altiplano Ultimate concept as a prototype. This year, the dream becomes reality. The Altiplano Ultimate concept becomes the world's thinnest mechanical watch on the market. In just 6 years, it has evolved from the drawing board to the wrist. It started as an ambitious experiment, pushing the boundaries of horological microengineering. Today, it is a fully developed, tried and tested watch. It is so complex to produce that only 3 pieces will be made per year. The Altiplano Ultimate concept comes in a 41mm cobalt case. This rare material in watchmaking is 2.3 times stronger than gold, which makes it a great alloy for an ultra-thin timepiece. The movement has been embellished with sunburst and satin-brushed finishes and features chamfered and polished bridges. The combined case baseplate has been enhanced with a sophisticated treatment for a beautiful finish. The Altiplano Ultimate concept is 2mm thick and is composed of 167 parts. Many of these parts have been produced to microscopically small dimensions. To give you an idea, some of the wheels are a mere 0.1mm thick compared to the usual 0.25mm. The timepiece is available with a choice of an alligator or blue Baltimore technical textile strap. All the straps are ultra-thin and come with a velvet calfskin lining, a super strong Kevlar core, and an ultra-thin cobalt pin buckle. Owners will be able to personalize their technical marvel with over 10,000 possible variations. Imagine being able to choose the color of the bridge and the dial, the finish of the hands and the main plate, and select straps that match or contrast. All this will be possible with the infinitely personal Piaget app, which means you will most likely never run into anyone with the same watch, making the Altiplano Ultimate concept unique in every way. Piaget is the reference for precious watches for men and women. The Maison's timepieces and jewelry are precious for the special moments that they celebrate, precious for their elegance and timeless beauty, and precious for their gem-setting and goldsmithing craftsmanship. This is just the beginning of many new creations that Piaget will release this year, so stay tuned for more incredible new releases.